Available now at Tato Machines LLC, the 2019 Avant 528 compact loader. A truly multi-purpose machine built to deliver power, precision, and versatility. Whether it's landscaping, construction, snow removal, or anything in between, the Avant 528 is engineered to handle it all. Under the hood, a 26 horsepower Kubota diesel engine, fuel efficient and ready to work all day long. The Hydrostatic four-wheel drive system provides smooth control and excellent traction, giving you the confidence to work on any surface, mud, gravel, or snow. With 2,600 pounds of operating weight and 2,200 pounds of lifting capacity, this compact loader delivers real strength in a maneuverable size. The telescopic boom reaches an impressive 96 inches of lift height, allowing you to load, lift, and move materials with precision and ease. With auxiliary hydraulics, you can connect a variety of attachments, making this one of the most versatile machines in your fleet. The quick attach system makes switching tools effortless, saving time and boosting productivity. The protective operator frame keeps you safe and comfortable without compromising visibility. Every control feels solid, responsive, and intuitive, just as professional equipment should. This Avant starts instantly and runs perfectly. Smooth operation, clean hydraulics. Everything works exactly as it should. Whatever the job, the Avant 528 is built to work every single day. A solid investment in productivity and long-term reliability. Contact us today, Tato Machines LLC, Power, Precision, Performance.